Prime Minister Narendra Modi filing his nomination from Eastern UP's Varanasi for a hat-trick bid, both as Kashi Ka Lal and the prime ministerial face of the NDA. The constant was prayers to the Ganga, this time at the iconic Dashashwamedh Ghat, and blessings of Kal Bhairav at the iconic Varanasi temple. The Prime Minister was accompanied by a galaxy of party leaders and those from the NDA coalition, who felicitated the Prime Minister and walked with him after he filed the nomination.
Return 400 Par slogan makes sense because, as I said, in 2019 we had done an analysis of how many beneficiaries or labharthis there were of the central yojanas. We came to the conclusion 22 crore. Madam, today we look back at 2019, we got 22 crore 90 lakh votes. Now if you do an analysis of all the labharthis, PM has delivered on every front.
A sentiment in India throughout, right from here, Varanasi to every corner of the country, is towards victory of the NDA under the sterling leadership of Prime Minister Modi.
Maharashtra is being seen as a huge challenge. Maharashtra in particular is being seen as a
Everybody sees Maharashtra as a challenge, but I can assure you, what you see here is no different in Maharashtra.
Like the previous two times, the Prime Minister's proposers balanced caste equations, crucial on any Uttar Pradesh seat. His pick of proposers was also a story in itself. Pandit Gyaneshwar Shastri led the Pran Pratishtha and suggested the auspicious time for it, and others were local Sangh workers from the OBC and SC communities.
Mr. Modi is seeking a third consecutive term from the BJP bastion. The party has managed to win the seat 8 times since 1991, with only R.K. Mishra of the Congress in 2004 managing to break the stronghold.
This time around, the Prime Minister's rival is Congress's Ajay Rai. Mr. Rai contested in 2019 too and got 1.52 lakh votes and a vote share of 7.04%.
के बड़े से बड़े नेता, प्रधानमंत्री से लेकर आपके जो सांसद हैं, जितने भी ये नेता हैं, उनको ये एहसास नहीं है कि आपके प्रति कोई जिम्मेदारी है, कि जवाबदेही है। चुनाव में कह देंगे और चुनाव के बाद भूल जाएंगे।
As Prime Minister Modi seeks his third term from Varanasi, for many in the temple town, it is brand Modi that matters.
Varanasi will vote in the 7th and the final phase of Lok Sabha polls, that is on June 1st. In 2014, Mr. Modi won by a margin of 3.72 lakh votes. But that rose to 4.8 lakh votes in 2019.
Varanasi will vote in the 7th and final phase of this election on June 1st. In the 2019 poll, Mr. Modi won by nearly 4.8 lakh votes. A big jump from the 3.72 lakh winning margin 5 years earlier. With Tanish Punjabi, Usama Shah for NDTV.